Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're digging into something called Javaburn. We get some interesting suggestions from you, our listeners, and well, this one definitely caught our eye.
hmm
Our mission here is really just to understand, what it claims it does and what's interesting or maybe important for you to know about it. Yeah.
Exactly. And the information we've looked at really presents Javaburn as a potential tool, I guess,
hmm
something to help people maybe get closer to the body shape they want
Okay.
and, boost their self-esteem along the way.
Yeah.
It taps into that whole feeling of wanting something straightforward to feel a bit better. Yeah.
Right, right. That makes sense. A lot of people feel stuck sometimes. So, okay, let's start with the absolute basics. What is Javaburn?
Okay. So fundamentally, it's a supplement. It comes as a powder.
A powder.
Yeah. And the way you use it is pretty direct. You just mix one packet into your coffee in the morning.
Into coffee. Wow, okay.
Yeah.
That's gonna get some reactions, I bet. Does it mess with the taste? Because, that first sip of coffee is like sacred for so many people.
That's the interesting part. It's apparently or reportedly completely tasteless.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So the whole idea is you get these potential benefits, but your coffee still tastes like, well, your coffee.
Huh. Okay.
And the big claim, is that mixing it with a coffee helps to activate the nutrients and vitamins inside.
Activate. Okay, that sounds intriguing. So this activation, what's it meant to actually do?
Well, the main idea is that this activation helps speed up your metabolism.
Right, metabolism.
Yeah, the process your body uses to turn food and drink into energy. So a faster metabolism, generally speaking, means you're burning calories more quickly.
Okay, that clicks. So adding this to your regular coffee might kind of give your body a nudge, calorie burning wise. Is that the core idea?
That seems to be a really big part of it, yes.
Yeah.
But also the info suggests Java Burn might help with the body's natural detox processes.
Talks.
Yeah, like helping to clear out toxins and, impurities, stuff like that.
So it's kind of working on metabolism and detoxification.
Uh,
Interesting. What about the stuff in it, the ingredients?
it's described as being completely natural
Okay.
and also free from toxins and non-GMO. That's mentioned specifically. And importantly, the information we have points to it being safe with no sort of contradictions or side effects reported.
Right. Safety first. That's definitely top of mind for anyone thinking about trying something new daily.
Mhm.
So usage-wise, how often are you supposed to take it?
Super simple, apparently. Just one packet mixed in your coffee every morning.
Every morning.
Yeah. And taking it in the morning is also suggested because it might give you a bit more energy and like improve your disposition for the day.
Ah, okay. So it's meant to be part of that morning routine. Makes sense. Now, what about people who've actually used it? Real experiences. What's the word on the street, so to speak?
Well, according to the info we have, the feedback from users seems to be generally positive.
Good to hear.
People are apparently seeing results, actually losing some weight.
Mhm.
And it's framed as a real, safe way to lose weight,
Okay.
kind of suggesting it's, maybe a healthier route than some extreme diets or just hitting the gym super hard without other support. Commitment to using it consistently is highlighted as pretty important, though.
Yeah, consistency usually is key with this stuff. Positive feedback is always encouraging. It suggests, for some folks, this could actually be helpful. So if someone listening is interested, where do they even get this?
Ah, right. The information is very clear on this.
Okay.
It's sold only on its official website.
Exclusively online then. Got it.
There's usually a link provided in the materials.
And, what if someone tries it, commits to it, and it just doesn't work out for them? Or they're not happy?
Good question. There's apparently a 60-day money-back guarantee.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so if you use it for up to 60 days and you're not satisfied or don't see the results you wanted, you could supposedly get a full refund by contacting them through the official website.
A 60-day guarantee. That does add a layer of reassurance, doesn't it? Often shows the company stands behind it.
It often does, yeah. It's presented as kind of proof that the product is legit.
Okay, so let's just quickly recap the main benefits we've touched on. What are the key things Javaburn is claimed to help with?
Right, so based on everything we've discussed,
Yeah.
it's presented as something that could potentially help you, reach your desired body shape, boost self-esteem and confidence, speed up metabolism, burn calories quicker, support detoxification, give you more energy,
Wow, quite a list.
and yeah, help with weight loss in a way that's described as safe and healthy,
Hmm.
and all from just adding this powder to your coffee.
It sounds quite comprehensive. We've covered what it is, the supposed mechanism, the natural aspect, the positive feedback.
Yeah, this deep dive really gives you an idea of what Javaburn is putting out there.
Yeah.
It's positioned as this natural, easy option to potentially impact your metabolism and how you feel overall.
Exactly. A tasteless powder blends right into the coffee you're already drinking, aiming to help with metabolism, energy, weight management, confidence. The works.
Mm-hmm.
And only online, but with that 60-day guarantee for peace of mind.
And thinking about all these claims, it really makes you consider, doesn't it? How might something like this fit into your own health goals? It
Yeah.
just shows there's this constant search for accessible ways, maybe simple additions to our routines that could support us on our individual paths to feeling, well, better.